Hey, what's up, guys? Today's task would be to learn how to use ChatGPT 3.5 within our terminal or on our website within our application without actually using ChatGPT 3.5 key, which in essence means that we don't need to pay. So, to use ChatGPT 3.5, I'm not saying it is for GPT-3, it's for GPT-4. I'm just saying it for 3.5. So, you don't now need to pay anything for that, and I have the solution for it. That's reverse engineering. Let me explain to you how exactly that is going to happen. So let me open my Chrome browser first. In this, just a minute, you have to go into the GitHub web ChatGPT folder, like repository. You have to go into this repository. First, let me clone it out so that it works really well for us. Clone this. Okay, I've cloned this out. Let me also create a folder name. Anything, let me give it a name this. And now, once again, we'll go here. We need to actually install this package, ChatGPT's package. I'm going to install it. And we have successfully installed this. You have to also install this package. So let me do that as well. Yep, we have done with that as well. Now, what you need to do is you need to actually have a Chrome extension for that. Uh, you need this Chrome extension, so have it like I already have. Just have it by clicking here. A button will come to add an extension. You can add it. Now, go on to the ChatGPT's folder, and inside this folder, what you need to do is click on the extension button. Just click on it. So to export cookies as JSON file. So this is basically we are actually downloading the JSON file. I will give you the logic behind it why we are doing it, but it's simple. So we are done with that. Let me see, where is my JSON file? Here we go. um, Here it is. Just a minute. Okay, now just put it into this folder. And just one more thing that we need to do is um, go into this folder directory and create a file name, something like this. Any name, no matter, doesn't matter actually. Now we'll get back to our GitHub repository, and you have to basically copy this code, and you know within this folder you uh, need to actually um, put this code. Okay, now just replace it with your JSON file that you have actually downloaded. So we need to put its path. So let me copy it out. Let me put it in this way. And right now it will just generate for you a single prompt. So let me modify this code a bit so that it works for you. Uh, okay. Yep. Now for infinite looping, I will use while true loop so that it works. Now let me do some indexing correct. Okay, let's save this out. Now let me run this code for you. Just simply put it in this way. And there we go. Now you can ask any question. Who are you? So it will answer you. So it's like you are using ChatGPT's 3.5 key without actually using it and paying anything for it. And it possesses all those features. Do you know that when you use ChatGPT 3.5 key, when you have second response, it actually don't have any context of the previous response. But in this case, it also have that. Let me show you. So I've asked who is Elon Musk. He has told me the description. Let me ask why he is so successful. If he has the context of it, then he will give me the reason why Elon Musk is successful. So that's very cool, and you will see in a moment that that is exactly what ChatGPT is going to do. Actually, just a moment, and you will see. As you can see, it has given the response based on the context, so it's very cool. Now, if you want to have, like, in the terminal, it's very good that you are able to run it. But if you want to have it within your web applications and stuff like that, what you can do is you can just convert this code into the Flask code. So you can use it as the backend, and in the front end, you would need index.html, style.css, and script.js file. So to, have the API fetching stuff, and that's how you can implement it within your application as well without having the API key. And that is something very crazy because most of the tasks is we are able to do with just 3.5 API key, and if you can access it in free for unlimited period for unlimited responses, it's something very crazy. The reason behind using this ChatGPT's OpenAI cookies.json file is something very simple, because whatever the client server connection exists and whatever the request that is being transmitted is with these small codes and cookies. And so if we have that, we can also send that request as we are doing it right now. So that's how much simple it is, and that's it. So thank you for that. And you know that it's something very crazy, isn't it? It's like a very clever techniques we are using.